In recent times, the search for effective medical weight loss options has gained momentum due to the increasing prevalence of obesity and associated health issues. The popularity of Ozempic, fueled by social media buzz on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, has significantly heightened interest. Originally developed to aid in diabetes management, many individuals are now turning to this medication to shed unwanted pounds. Semaglutide is a glucagon-like peptide, 1-GLP-1 receptor agonist that was originally approved for treating type 2 diabetes. Its impact on appetite suppression and weight loss has drawn attention, paving the way for its use as a medical weight loss treatment. In 2021, the FDA authorized a higher dose version of semaglutide, marketed as Wegovy, specifically for adults dealing with obesity or overweight issues. Semaglutide can be self-administered at home using a small insulin needle, which many find convenient and user-friendly, typically on a weekly basis. The monthly cost of semaglutide is approximately $1,700, and insurance typically does not cover it for weight loss. Eligibility for receiving semaglutide as a weight loss treatment generally depends on specific body mass index, BMI, guidelines. Holly Figueroa O'Reilly's remarkable journey showcases determination and significant change. After struggling with weight and trying numerous diets, she lost 105 pounds with the help of Ozempic. However, she now proudly maintains a weight of 145 pounds, demonstrating her unwavering spirit. She credits Ozempic, a medication for type 2 diabetes, with reducing her intense food cravings and allowing her to focus on a healthier lifestyle. Although she initially experienced some side effects with Ozempic, these diminished over time, and she remains dedicated to her health goals. Looking for a successful weight loss program? AMAVA is dedicated to helping you restore a healthy lifestyle with our successful medical weight loss programs. Unlike traditional clinical approaches that focus on symptom management, AMAVA Regenerative Medicine aims to address the root cause of the problem through innovative techniques.